As a practicing orthopedic surgeon, I'm always wanting to push myself to be as up-to-date with surgical procedures, as well as using the most advanced technologies. It's very important as a surgeon to evaluate what's available, what is actually useful, and what brings value to my patients and to myself. Utilizing augmented reality is a huge advantage from a surgeon's perspective in terms of their workflow in the operating room. I now am able to do surgery by simply using these augmented reality glasses and to look at my surgical field, take the knee through range of motion, test the patient's ligament balance, and utilize that information in real time to guide my surgery, to change my preoperative plan, giving our patients the best functional outcome. What we're looking for in terms of pairing up with Polaris is a technology that is not just for today, but really a technology that is going to change the next easily 2 decades of our surgery. It's very exciting because I truly believe that this is a technology that will be in everybody's hands going forward in the future. This will be, in my eyes, literally and figuratively, part of our future surgery.